Hello friends, welcome back. In the previous video, we have seen the illustration 1 for straight line method, illustration 2 for WDV method, that is written down balance method, and in this lecture we are going to see three illustrations, which is illustration 3, illustration 4, and illustration 5. Okay, these three are separate methods. In illustration number 3, we need to show machinery account, depreciation account in their books for in the books for 2019 year using sum of years of digits method. Okay, this is the third method. Next method is what? Machine hour rate method. Fourth method is for machine hour rate method. Fifth one is for production units method. So these are the three methods which we are going to use now for solving the problem. So let me give some formula for these three things. For production units, for sum of years of digits method. First, if we want to discuss this question, if we want to discuss this method, first of all, let us see the question here. Okay. Mrs. Akash and Company purchased a machinery for rupees 10 lakhs. Estimated useful life of lifetime scrap value over 10 years and 1,20,000 respectively. The machine was put to use on 1/1/2014. And what we need to say, we need to show the machinery account and depreciation account in their books. In their books means in the books of Mrs. Akash and Company for 2019 using sum of years of digits method. Simply, the machinery has been purchased. Machinery purchased on here. Machinery purchased and put to use. Put to use on 1/1/2014. Okay, 1/1/2014 the machinery has been put to use. Let us take that we shall assume that the Mrs. Akash and Company is following calendar year as a counting year. Okay, calendar year as a counting year, let us assume. Okay, on 1/1/2014 they have put to use, then from which they have put to use on 1/1/2014, and they have asked us to calculate amount of depreciation in we show the machinery account in their books for only 2019 year. 2019 year means what? 14 to 18 we need to calculate the depreciation. We need to subtract the depreciation from the what we can say from the cost of the asset, and from that we can know the return on value, and thereby we can apply the depreciation for the 2019 year. Okay, in this sum of years of digits method, it is only saying sum of years of digits. Sum of years and digits method. Sum of years digits method in the sense the total number of years for useful life is 10. Then we need to start adding 10 to the number of years from 2014 to 18. 2014 to 18 means 4 years. Okay, 14 to 18 in the sense what it is 2018 in the sense 31st December 2018. Okay, first January to 31st December 1 year, 2, 3, 4 and 5 years are there in between. So they have used the machinery up to 5 years, and they are asking us to calculate the depreciation from 1st January 2019 to 31st December 2019. So for the 6th year they are asking us to calculate the depreciation. Okay, then they have used this machinery for 5 years, right? And the useful life of the machinery is 10 years now. So we need to start adding 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So for 5 years, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by, there are 10 years of the useful life. So we need to add 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus and so on up to 1 divided by, we can say this is average. Okay. Then we need to divide it with what? The total of useful life. 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Sorry, 3 is missing out. I am using a letting 3 here. So we need to add the total here. That means what? 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2. I think you have seen this formula earlier. n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of first n digits. If they are in the arithmetic progression, for the first again consecutive numbers. For first n consecutive numbers, you are going to use the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. That means what? 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2, which is 55. So we need to divide with total of the useful life of the asset, total of years of useful life of the asset, and we need to multiply. We need to multiply with what? That means 1 by 55 is the thing, is the factor which we need to multiply with the number of useful lives. So here they have used the asset up to 5 years. So we need to add up to 5 years. 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6. What is that one? 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6. 40. Okay. This is 40. So we need to add, we need to multiply this one. We need to multiply this factor with what? Amount of cost of the asset less scrap value. I repeat, cost of the asset plus scrap value we need to multiply with. So this is the main process of sum of years of digits method, but of course this is not much useful. So that means let us now go for doing the solution. First of all, if we want to do this question, we need to write some working notes. We need to calculate the depreciation up to for 5 years, and later we are going to see the value of we see the return on value, and later thereby we can find out the depreciation. We shall show the machinery account and what we can say, depreciation account. Okay, now let us start. Working notes. First working note is nothing but working note number 1, calculation of depreciation. Calculation of depreciation up to 31st December 2018. Okay, up to 31st December 2018 in the sense using sum of years digits method. We need to use this method to calculate the depreciation. So what is the cost of the asset? 10 lakhs is the cost of the asset and scrap value is rupees 1,20,000. So simply we need to write this one to cost of the asset minus scrap value 1,20,000 into what? We need to divide it with the total of digits, digits of useful life. That means 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus so on up to 1. We have calculated that as 55, and what we need to up to 2018 in the sense 5 years. So 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6. So this is what? 8,80,000 into 40 by 55. 40 divided by 55 into what it is? 8,80,000. So that is 6,40,000. This is 6,40,000. This is the total depreciation which we have used up to 31st December 2018. So what is the return on value? Calculation of depreciation for 2019 year. For 2019, what is the thing? Total cost of the asset. Okay, calculation of depreciation for 2019. This is the total of depreciation up to 2018. Up to 2018 means we have calculated from backwards 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6, right? Then we need to calculate depreciation for 2019 means this is 6th year. For 6th year, after 6 that would be 5. So what is the thing? 10 lakhs minus 1 lakh 20 into 5th year. 6th year means 5 we are going to use, and total divided by 55. So 8 lakhs 80 into 5 divided by 55, which is 80,000. This is the depreciation for 2018-19. And before that we need to calculate return on value as on 1st January 2019. What is the thing? 10 lakhs is the total value of the machinery, and from which 6 lakhs 40,000 is the depreciation up to 31st December 2018. And what is the remaining value? 3 lakhs 20,000 is the balance brought down. To balance brought down we are going to write a depreciation account. So machinery account we are going to write to machinery account in opening balance, that is on 1/1/2019, to balance brought down 3 lakhs 20,000. And for 31st December 2019, by depreciation 80,000 we are going to charge. 8 4 32 means 2 lakh 40 is the remaining balance. So by balance carry down, total 3 lakhs 20 and 2 balance brought down 2 lakhs 40. And if we want to see the depreciation for the next year, that is 2020, simply we need to multiply this 80,000 is for 6th year, right? That means we have multiplied it with 5. Now we need to multiply with 6 and divided by 5 for 80,000. That would be there for the 6th year. So 80,000 divided by 5 into 6, 96,000 will be there. Sorry, I think that is 4. I'm sorry, we need to go backwards, right? Into 4 divided by 5. So 80,000 divided by 5 into 4, 64,000 is the depreciation for 7th year. So that is how we need to go to check, right? And now we need to prepare depreciation account also. This is our depreciation account to machinery account. To machinery 80,000 is the depreciation, and by P&L we need to transfer 80,000 on which month, which date? 31st December 2019. So this is how we need to solve this question. This is how we can go for completing the sum of years of digits method. This question will not be tested actually. Okay, now we need to calculate the depreciation and on machine hour rate method. A machine was purchased for 30 lakhs having an estimated total working of 24,000 hours. Okay, the scrap value of the is expected to be 2 lakhs, and anticipated pattern of distribution of effective hours is as follows. So for 1 to 3 years they are going to use 3,000 hours per year. For 4 to 6 years they are going to use 2,600 hours per year. For 7 to 10 years 1,800 hours per year. And we need to determine the annual depreciation under machine hour rate method. So simply annual depreciation we are going to calculate, in the sense for 1 to 3 years what is the annual depreciation, for 4 to 6 years what is the annual depreciation, for 7 to 10 years what is the annual depreciation. So very simple actually. So for 1 to 3 years we need to calculate the annual depreciation. What is the total number of hours? 24,000 hours are there. So 24,000 hours are there, and what is the amount of hours which are used in during those 3 years per year? In the sense, in first year they are going to use 3,000, for second year they are going to use 3,000, for third year they are going to use 3,000. So for 3,000 is used for those 24,000. Out of 24,000 hours they are going to use one for 1 to 3 years. 1 to 3 years per year they are going to use 3,000 hours, and we need to multiply with cost of the asset minus scrap value. So 30 lakhs is the cost of the asset, minus scrap value is 12 lakhs. So 28 lakhs into 3,000 divided by 24,000, which is 3,50,000. So the annual depreciation per annum, annual depreciation here is 3,50,000. So similarly, in 4 to 6 years, what will be the annual depreciation? Annual depreciation will be 2,600 divided by 24,000 into same 30 lakhs minus 2 lakhs minus 2 lakhs. So simply, after getting 3,50,000, that is for 3,000 hours, so divided with 3,000, multiply with 2,600, you are going to get 30,3333, 30,3333, 3,03,333. And for 7 to 10 years, what is the annual depreciation is simply 1,800 hours per year, 24,000 is total into same 30 lakhs minus 2 lakhs. So this 3,50,000 is for 3,000 hours. We need to calculate for 1,800 hours. So 3,50,000 divided by 3,000 into 1,800, which is 2,10,000. So if we are going to calculate 3,000 into 3, 9,000, 2,600 into 3, 4, 5, 4, 2, 5, 5, 2, 6. So 4, 5, 6, 3 years is equal to 3,000 into 3 is equal to 1,800 into 3 is equal to GT. So 1,800 is used for 4 years plus 3,000 into 3, 9,000, 2,800, sorry, 2,600 into 3 is equal to, so total if we are going to add, that would be for 24,000 only. Okay, this is how you are going to solve by using determine annual depreciation by using machine hour rate method. For the next one also same thing will be there, but in the previous question they have given us total number of working hours. Machine hour, for machine hour method, hours are more important. For production units method, units are more important. 20 lakhs is the total cost of the machine, and with residual value 2 lakhs, estimated time 10 years. Machinery is expected to produce 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh units, means 1,50,000 units per year during its lifetime. So for total 10 years they are going to use this one, they are going to produce 1,50,000. Expected distribution pattern is given. So for 1 to 3, 4 to 7, 8 to 10, so I think you know how to calculate. So 20,000 units divided by 1,50,000 units for this year into cost of the asset, that is 20 lakhs minus 2 lakhs. So we can say 18 lakhs into 20 divided by 150, 2,40,000. So this is 2,40,000. For this one, simply by dividing with 20,000 and multiply with 15,000, divided by 20,000, multiply with 15,000. This is 1,80,000, and divided with 15,000, multiply with 10,000, 1,20,000. So if we want to add this one, 4 to 7 into 3 into 4 into 3, 24 into 3 is equal to so this is the annual depreciation. This is how we can use by using production units method. I think you have understood how to do this problems, these three illustrations. And depletion method is also there, but the depletion method is not there in our syllabus. But of course we are going to discuss that question also in the next video. We are going to discuss that query list question also, which is illustration number 6.1. So this is how you can complete with 3 or more questions. Thank you. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends too.